Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to set task priorities on Asana, your handy project management tool. Let's start by opening Asana and navigating to the project where you have your tasks. The reason we do this is to ensure we're setting priorities in the right context. Now that we've done that, find the task you want to prioritize. Click on it to open the task details pane. This is where you'll see the priority field. Next up, look for the priority field. If you can't find it, don't worry. That's because Asana doesn't have a built-in priority field. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. You can create custom fields for your tasks, and that's exactly what we're going to do. To create a custom priority field, click on the Custom Fields button at the top of the Task Details pane. Then, click on Add a Field, select Drop-Down as the field type, and name it Priority. You can then add options like High, Medium, and Low to this dropdown. This helps us because it allows us to categorize tasks based on urgency. The final step is to assign a priority to your task. Just click on the newly created priority field and select the appropriate option from the dropdown. This matters because it helps you and your team understand the urgency of each task at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully set task priorities in Asana. Remember, prioritizing tasks is crucial to effective project management, so don't skip this step in your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy prioritizing.